Hi everyone, it's Joy from LashJoy Academy. I've just put together this quick video to give you 5 aftercare tips that are going to increase your lash retention. Tip 1, wash your lashes daily with an eyelash extension approved cleanser. No, you can't just use any old cleanser from the supermarket. Most cleansers that are available for our face aren't suitable for use on the eye area. In fact, they'll probably have a warning at the back which will say, keep away from eye area. Most cleansers will leave behind a residue which will soften the bond of the existing eyelash extensions, or even worse, leave a residue on the natural lash which will cause your new lashes that do get refilled to pop off the natural lash. Tip 2, avoid getting oily products on your eyelash extensions. Not only will that oily product soften the bond of the adhesive, but also those oily products can actually absorb into your natural lashes and create that barrier between the adhesive and the natural lash. Tip 3, avoid using mascara when you're wearing eyelash extensions. Wearing mascara is not a good idea with eyelash extensions because it's very hard to completely get off all of the residue. And when you go back for your refill, your lash stylist will have a very hard time cleaning your natural lashes and preparing them for the fresh extensions. If there is any makeup residue on the very base of your natural lashes and we go and place an extension on top, even though we've tried our best to clean it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, sometimes I've even spent half an hour trying to clean makeup off, those new extensions will pop off the natural lashes very quickly. What I'd recommend that you do is, instead of waiting 3 weeks for your refill, how about you come in at 2 weeks for a shorter appointment? That way you never get tempted to put on mascara and your eyelash extensions will always last a long time. And that way your lash stylist won't have to fantasize about stabbing you. Tip 4, if you do want to wear eyeliner, please only use felt tip eyeliner using gel eyeliner, pencil eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. They all leave behind an oily or waxy residue, which is very hard for you to clean off. And also that's going to provide a lot of nutrients to those lash mites, and they are going to overpopulate your lash line, and that will really affect your long-term lash health, which means the longer you get extensions and you're using those naughty eyeliners, you're going to end up with less and less extensions. Tip 5, which is my last tip for the day, is make sure that you don't rub your eyelash extensions. So remember, our eyelids are the oiliest part of our body. So if we are rubbing the oil from our lids onto our extensions, or rubbing our extensions onto our moisturizer, sunscreen, foundation, that is really going to jeopardize the bond of your extensions. If you do need to rub your eyes, just try and rub the top of your eyelids. Try not to rub over your actual lashes. So if you can stick to these 5 simple tips, you'll find that your eyelash extensions last a really long time, and also your lash stylist will appreciate that extra care that you put into looking after your extensions.